If you are here to improve your kidney health, I have great news for you. If you drink this kidney cleanse every morning for 5 days as a part of a healthy diet and lifestyle, it will help you lower your creatinine levels and kickstart your kidneys for the whole day. Yes, if you drink just a cup of this every day, you're going to get huge benefits for your heart and your kidneys. It has blood pressure lowering properties, it's alkaline, and it also has diuretic properties to detox your kidneys. So today, in this short video, I'll show you everything you need to make this very simple and cheap kidney cleanse. My name is Katherine and this is Double O Kidney. I've been working with kidney disease patients for 7 years now, and if there's one thing that I'm 100% sure about, is that when you do your best to improve your kidney health, you're going to have much better results that you can imagine. This is not the first kidney cleanse I've posted here on Double O Kidney, and I know that many of you are already having great results with my old cleanse, but this one is going to be even better. So, share this video with anyone you know that may suffer from chronic kidney disease. Maybe this cleanse can help them too. And also, tell me in comment section if you have tried my cleanse and if it worked for you too. Okay, let's see what ingredients you need and how to prepare this very powerful kidney cleanse. First of all, celery, one of the healthiest veggies in the world. Celery is often dismissed as an empty food, but it's actually full of magnesium, calcium, and vitamins A, B, C, and K. It's incredibly healthy, and maybe you didn't know this, but celery is the best friend of your urinary tract. Celery has been used as a traditional remedy to treat UTIs because it's a mild diuretic and it also has powerful antimicrobial properties. So it can help us getting rid of all the bacteria that cause kidney infections. Celery also contains compounds called phthalates, which have powerful blood pressure lowering properties. These phthalates relax the smooth muscles surrounding the arterial walls, cutting the work your heart does to pump blood throughout your body. Phthalates also decrease the production of stress hormones, reducing symptoms of hypertension. This is why, if you have kidney problems, a celery cleanse can be a lifesaver. Now, we need just a couple of stalks. Each one of these contains just 30 milligrams of potassium, making it safe for every kidney disease patient. And by the way, if you want to know all the nutritional values of these ingredients, check the description below. A quick disclaimer since we are talking about safety. If you have chronic kidney disease or if you take prescription drugs, always consult your doctor before doing any significant change to your diet. Today's cleanse is pretty safe. It's just fruit and veggies, but better be safe. Now, wait a moment before putting the stalks in the blender. I also want to show you a nice trick to make these greens even healthier. But first, let's see our second ingredient. Lemon, another incredibly healthy and undervalued superfood. Okay, I don't know if you can find this kind of lemon where you live. Here in Italy we have this big, exceptionally tasty lemons. These are organic lemons coming from a place called Cilantro, famous for cultivating these citrus fruits in arbor gardens. Now, if you cannot find one of these where you live, just get a regular lemon. All lemons are healthy, alright? Actually, if you have kidney disease, lemons should be a staple of your diet. Everything about it is healthy for you. The pith, which is usually discarded, has health benefits too. It's full of antioxidants, healthy nutrients, and soluble fiber. Actually, it's where most of the fiber of the lemon is. Now, adding more fiber to your diet is a great way to improve your kidney health because your body needs really a lot of fiber. Even the peel of the lemon is healthy and tasty. It contains flavonoids, vitamin C, and D-limonene, an enzyme that can help you lower bad cholesterol. So today, I'm going to use the whole lemon for my cleanse, okay? We're not going to juice this lemon, we'll blend half of it. That's a tasty way to truly capture all the benefits that citrus fruits can provide. Now, if you want to use the peel, make sure the lemons you buy are organic because organic fruits are going to have a lot less pesticides. And I know that some of you are not confident in eating the peel of the fruit because it can contain pesticides. Now, there is nothing wrong in trying to avoid ingesting chemicals and toxins. In fact, removing toxins from the body is what a kidney cleanse is based on. But there is also a simple trick you can use to get rid of all these dangerous pesticides. Actually, just rinsing with tap water doesn't remove pesticides from the surface of fruit and veggies good enough. This is why we are going to let them soak in water and baking soda for about 5 minutes. And then you rinse. You're going to get rid of all the most commonly used pesticides. And this is not some old wives' tale, you know. There is science to support this method of washing fruit and veggies. To do it right, use about 3 teaspoons of baking soda per liter of water or 4 cups. You can rinse everything here and it will be safe. Our next ingredient, green apple. This particular apple is lower in sugar than the red variety, making it a great choice for people suffering from diabetes. And apples, in general, may help in a kidney cleanse because they reduce the feeling for hunger. Now, the incredible part. One study has shown that eating an apple a day may be almost as effective as taking a statin drug at reducing the risk for heart disease. And there's more. The pectin that apples contain acts as a prebiotic and may promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. But to get all these benefits, we will want to put the apple in the blender with the peel. Never remove the peel because that's where half of the dietary fiber and most of the vitamins of apples are. So, here's another tip. Don't juice fruit and veggies. These machines throw away all the healthiest part of the food and leave you with, you know what? Sugar. So, use a blender, not a juicer. As you have seen, the healthiest part of the fruit is the peel. So, don't waste it, okay? So, for now, let's put it in the baking soda water with the other ingredients. Last but not least, cilantro. Cilantro is a herb related to parsley that has been used by Ayurveda medicine for thousands of years. It fights infections, helps to lower blood sugar levels, prevents urinary tract infections, reduces anxiety, soothes skin rashes, improves digestion, and has many other health benefits. As an added bonus, cilantro is also exceptionally rich in iron. This is great for people suffering from anemia, especially if you get this iron as a part of the cleanse. You know, all the vitamin C of the lemon is really going to help your body absorbing the iron from cilantro. Yes, I really like cilantro. It even helps lowering blood sugar levels, especially if used in a kidney cleanse like the one we're making today. Let's not forget that diabetes and high insulin levels are the #1 cause of kidney disease. So, If we want a powerful way to reduce creatinine levels naturally, we need to work on our blood sugar levels too. And this definitely can help us. Okay, let's soak the cilantro too for 5 minutes here and we're almost ready. Now, if you want to know everything about the best herbs, remedies and cleanses for kidney disease patients, you should definitely take a look at this program. A lot of people here are using this program to improve their kidney function and lower their creatinine levels. There are some very inspiring success stories here on Double O Kidney. You may have read their comments here if you have been following me regularly. Some people are able to reverse their kidney disease thanks to what they learned from this program. I'm leaving a link down in the description if you want to know more. So, what's the best way to do the 5 days cleanse as a kidney patient? This cleanse consists in 5 days where you eliminate less healthy foods and instead focus on eating nutrient-rich whole foods that are filling and satisfying. Ideally, you should replace a less healthy meal with this cleanse. You can have it in the morning if you want, or for example, if you're used to eat processed grains or other packaged foods for dinner, have a cup of this instead. Preparation is going to be really easy. I have already washed everything. So let's put in the blender 2 stalks of celery, roughly chopped, a green apple with the peel. I'll just cut the apple in 4 slices and remove the core. Let's put the slices in the blender. 3 ice cubes to make it more refreshing. Now I have half cup of water here. That's a little bit more than half glass. I'll just add a little bit of it. And let's start blending for about 10 seconds. Okay, now I'll also add the half lemon with the peel. Let's cut it and add it to the blender. And the half cup of cilantro. Now let's give it another 10 seconds. And then add the rest of the water until we reach the right consistency. That's all. Now you want to make this really smooth, alright? So give it a full minute if you have a fast blender and even 2 if you have a regular old blender. Okay guys, if you want to know the nutritional values of all these foods, take a look at the description below. There's also the full recipe if you want to transcribe or save it. Let's try it. It's a little bit bitter, but I like it this way. But, you know, if you feel like this kidney cleanse is too bitter for your taste, you can add a little bit of stevia. It's safe if used in small amounts, unlike many other sweeteners. But I prefer the cleanse unsweetened. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.